Welcome to Review Rumble. The best 3D printer is probably one of the most revolutionary tools available today, offering unparalleled creative freedom and the ability to bring digital designs into the physical world with stunning accuracy and detail. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to craft intricate models, an engineer prototyping complex parts, or an educator inspiring the next generation of innovators, a 3D printer can transform your projects and unlock possibilities you never thought imaginable. This guide will help you navigate the exciting landscape of 3D printing technology and find the perfect machine to suit your needs and budget. Number 5. Memoking T02 Mini Sticker Printer. Introducing the Memoking T02, a mini printer designed to bring your ideas to life. It's perfect for students and anyone looking to add a personal touch to their belongings. Connecting is a breeze with its instant Bluetooth feature. Simply pair it with your iOS or Android device through the Memo app and start printing in seconds. This versatile sticker maker allows you to craft unique labels and notes for school, home, or office. Organize your life and express yourself with custom designs. It's not just for white thermal paper, this device also works with colored and transparent sticker paper, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Explore a variety of fonts, filters, and themes within the app to make your prints fun and engaging. It's a great tool for study, work, and everyday tasks. Its compact, palm-sized design makes it incredibly portable. Take it anywhere to instantly print photos, pictures, and labels whenever inspiration strikes. Get creative with your labeling needs. You can print directly and then cut out labels of any shape or size, making organization both simple and stylish. What we like. This mini printer boasts sharp, high-definition imaging for all your labeling needs. It offers an easy Bluetooth connection for quick printing from your phone or tablet. If you're a student looking for back-to-school supplies or someone who loves to personalize their belongings with custom labels and photos, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great printer for beginners. It is very easy to set up and use. The print quality is excellent, even on complex models. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Introducing the Adventurer 5M series, designed for a truly hassle-free 3D printing experience. Enjoy automatic bed leveling for perfect first layers, every time, with no manual adjustments needed. Experience 12x ultra-fast printing with its advanced Core XY structure, reaching speeds of up to 600 mm/s. This maximizes efficiency and precision, perfect for rapid prototyping and production. It features quick 3-second nozzle changes and a fast warm-up time, ensuring stable, high-speed printing. The dual-sided PEI platform offers easy print removal and adaptability for all your creative needs. Equipped with dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, it delivers exceptional print quality. Monitor your prints remotely in real time via the mobile app for a seamless experience. For optimal performance, regular maintenance is key. If you encounter any issues, the A+ FAQ section provides helpful troubleshooting tips and solutions to keep you printing smoothly. What we like. Experience 3D printing like never before with its 12x ultra-fast printing capabilities. Featuring one-click automatic printing and quick nozzle changes, it's designed for efficiency. If you're a hobbyist or professional needing rapid prototyping or looking to maximize production cycles with high precision, this machine will not disappoint. What people say. The printer is easy to set up and start printing within minutes. The print quality is excellent, with sharp details and vibrant colors. The auto-leveling feature works flawlessly, ensuring perfect first layers every time. Number 3. AOSEED X-Maker 3D Printer. Introducing the AOSEED X-Maker, the perfect 3D printer designed for kids and beginners. It comes fully assembled, so you can start creating right out of the box. Enjoy effortless printing with its intuitive interface and Wi-Fi connectivity. You can easily send designs wirelessly or use an SD card or USB drive. This enclosed 3D printer ensures a safe printing environment and delivers exceptional quality without manual bed leveling. Its flexible build plate makes print removal a breeze. Spark imagination with built-in mini-apps and gamified design programs. It's an ideal tool for beginners to easily create their own models. Experience detailed and high-quality prints thanks to its high precision and speed. It uses PLA filament, perfect for bringing your ideas to life. Print peacefully with its ultra-silent operation, keeping noise levels below 50 dB. It's perfect for any home or classroom environment. What we like. This 3D printer is fully assembled and leveling free, making it incredibly easy to use right out of the box. It supports Wi-Fi printing and operates ultra-silently, ensuring a peaceful environment. If you are a beginner, a parent looking for a safe and engaging activity for your kids, or someone who values a quiet printing experience, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The printer is very easy to set up and start printing within minutes. The print quality is excellent, with sharp details and vibrant colors. The auto-leveling feature works flawlessly, ensuring perfect first layers every time. Number 2. Orange 4K Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the Orange 4K, a resin 3D printer engineered for ultra-high precision. Its 4K mono LCD screen delivers stunningly detailed prints with exceptional surface quality, perfect for intricate miniatures. This advanced printer boasts significantly faster printing speeds, up to 80 mm/h. You can achieve higher quality models in a fraction of the time compared to ordinary resin printers. Featuring dual Z-axis linear guides, it ensures steady printing without wobble. This stability translates to better results and smoother surfaces on all your creations. Equipped with uniform parallel UV LED lighting, it provides consistent intensity for shorter curing times. This ensures every layer is perfectly set. It includes a fast cooling system and a temperature warning system that stops printing if it gets too hot. This intelligent design enhances the lifespan of the printer. Despite its precision, it offers a generous print size of 4.72 by 2.68 by 7.48 inches, allowing for larger projects. What we like. Achieve ultra-high precision with its 4K mono LCD screen, delivering incredible detail on miniatures. It offers 2.5-3x faster printing than ordinary resin printers, saving you valuable time. If you are a hobbyist focused on creating highly detailed miniatures, jewelry, or intricate models where surface finish and accuracy are paramount, this resin printer is an excellent option. What people say. The print quality is exceptional, with fine details and smooth surfaces. Assembly was straightforward, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow. The auto-leveling feature works perfectly, ensuring consistent first layers for every print. Number 1. 15 colors 1.75 mm silk PLA filament refill sample pack. Discover a world of color with our 1.75 mm silk PLA filament. It's made from pure, high-quality material for safe and smooth printing. Explore 15 popular, shiny colors like silk black, shiny red, and silver gold. This sample pack is perfect for testing and vibrant 3D projects. Enjoy a seamless printing experience. Our filament is non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and free from bubbles for professional results. This filament is universally compatible with most 3D pens and printers on the market. It's ideal for color testing in diverse 3D creations. Each of the 15 colors is 4 meters long, totaling 60 meters. It comes conveniently packed in a vacuum bag, perfect for newcomers and experts alike. We offer excellent after-sales support. If you have any questions, we're here to help you create amazing 3D art and begin your printing adventure. What we like. This is a vibrant sample pack featuring 15 bright, shiny silk PLA filament colors. It's designed for wide compatibility with most FDM 3D printers and 3D pens. If you're a newcomer to 3D printing or 3D pen art and want to experiment with a variety of colors and finishes without committing to large spools, this is a great way to start creating diverse and colorful 3D projects. What people say. The printer is very easy to set up and start printing within minutes. The print quality is excellent, with sharp details and vibrant colors. The auto-leveling feature works flawlessly, ensuring perfect first layers every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.